Hi everyone! Our 3-day tour of Snowdonia National Park in Wales began at Bala Lake. This lake is 3 kilometers long and about 800 meters wide. The town of Bala is close nearby. A narrow gauge Bala Lake Railway runs for 3 miles around the lake. The River Dee runs through this lake. The waters of the lake are deep and clear. The lake is very stony underfoot, so swim shoes are required.
हम लोग को चला रहे हैं
हम लोग कोई चला नहीं रहे अपने चल रहा एंजॉय कर रहे हैं.
Luckily for us, it was a lovely sunny day. We thoroughly enjoyed this gorgeous lake and the beautiful scenery. We spent an hour boating. It was great fun. This lake is a perfect place for people who love nature, swimming, boating, biking, and enjoy walking in country areas.
Snowdonia National Park is a mountainous 823 square mile national park in North Wales, including remote villages, lakes, and Snowdon Peak. Today we're bringing to you glimpses of few lakes, waterfalls, and also gorgeous scenery of mountains around. There's plenty to see, plenty different places to walk and explore in Snowdonia. Absolutely amazing and magical place. Mountains, hills, sea, great beaches, trains, quarries, castles, lakes, rivers, streams, fields filled with sheep, and stately homes.
Cader Idris is the second most popular mountain in Wales after Snowdon. It is actually a ridge 6.5 miles long at the southern end of the Snowdonia National Park. Idris was a giant in Welsh mythology, and Cader Idris is said to be his chair. Snowdonia National Park is a beautiful and vast area that is mostly untouched by human civilization, with many breathtaking views and wonderful hikes. The views are stunning everywhere. All I can say is that it is beautiful.
We are on our way to Dolgoch Falls. We sighted this amazing lake. Views around this lake, surrounded by mountains, was just amazing. We had to stop.
Dolgoch Falls. Dolgoch Falls are a series of 3 waterfalls near Tivin in Wynd, Mid Wales. The falls are part of the now Dolgoch stream. We followed the tarmac track to lower waterfall, then took few uneven steps to the upper fall. That was a easy and quick walk, no more than 30 minutes. But the sound and sight of water were amazing. Lots of wildlife to see. Lovely place to visit and investigate.
आराम से रही मानो से हाय लवी से हाय ये कैसा हाय है
We are on our way to Swallow Falls. We sighted this amazing lake. Views around this lake surrounded by mountains were just amazing. We had to stop.
Waterfall is a famous tourist attraction, a spectacular waterfall, the tallest continuous falls of water in Wales, near Betswy Coed, Snowdonia.
This waterfall is an area of outstanding natural beauty where the river Leaky flows through a narrow basin, creating a spectacular waterfall amongst a background of beech, conifer and birch trees.
The falls can be viewed from a location above the river with no strenuous walking. There are also steps leading down to a platform close to the river edge. Bye everyone, thanks for watching, have a lovely day.